Okay, so I just spent 3 hours testing Google's brand new AI voice tool, and honestly, I'm kind of shocked. Like, listen to this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
That second one, that's not a human, that's AI. And I'm about to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, on my phone. No fancy equipment, no expensive software, just you, your phone, and about 5 minutes. Google has quietly released a revolutionary AI voice tool that is 100% free. And the secret that no one is talking about is this: you don't just pick a generic voice from a list, you get to describe the exact voice you want, giving you creative control that used to cost thousands. In this video, I'm giving you the complete step-by-step blueprint on how to access and master this tool to create unlimited, realistic voiceovers for your YouTube channel, your TikToks, and your Reels, all from your phone. And stick around, because later in the video, I'm going to reveal my 3 secret prompt words that can instantly generate the most popular and profitable voice styles online. Let's get into it. And actually, because I know some of you learn better with templates, I've put together all my best scripts and style prompts, the exact ones I'm about to show you, into a free guide. I'll tell you how to grab that at the end, but definitely stick around because I'm about to show you the secret prompt that makes all the difference. Alright, so first thing, and this is super important, you want to go to your Chrome and type in aistudio.google.com, or you use the app. You can get it on the App Store or the Play Store. I'll be using the app, so I'm doing this right on my phone. Okay, because over here we do everything on our phone. So I'll just open my apps, and that is it here, AI Studio. Now you need a Google account, but honestly, who doesn't have one of those, right? If you don't, just create one real quick. It is like 2 minutes, okay? Alright, so once you're in, this is the interface you'll be met with, okay? So, what we're looking for is the voice feature. And where can we find it? I'm using the desktop site, okay? So you just tap, just pull this thing around, and this right here, the native speech generation, that's what we are looking for, okay? Alright, so let's just tap on it. Okay, so there's the text to speech interface. When we look on our right side, we see that we have a single speaker audio and a multi-speaker audio. Okay, so we are going to try first with a single speaker audio. Okay, so now let's type in what we want the AI to say. So let's say, hey, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I create content. Alright, so don't do this mistake, okay? Don't write it as if you're writing an essay. Don't do that. Write like you're talking to your best friend, like how you're going to speak when you talk. You understand? Like, write it like how you speak normally, so that it makes it sound. When you do that, it makes it sound human. You get it? So if you are talking and maybe you say I'm gonna, instead of going to, or like, I don't but you get what I mean. So just make it sound human, and the AI will do exactly that for you, trust me. Okay, so now let's get to where the magic happened. And this is what most people don't know about. There's this little box that says style instructions, and inside we see read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. You get, this is your secret weapon. And this exact prompt I'm about to show you, this is going straight into that free template guide I mentioned, so you have it forever. So instead of just leaving the read aloud in a warm and friendly tone so you get a basic voice, you are going to tell it how to sound. And here's what I type. Okay, so let's say and sound friendly. And sound like sound like very one station with natural voice, not too fast. Okay, now so let's choose our voice. When we look on the right side, we have the run settings. So we have the voice over here. Now Google gives you a bunch of different voices to choose from. I spent way too much time listening to all of them on my first try. Here's what I learned. Just pick one that matches your content vibe. Okay? So if you are doing a motivational content, go for something warm and confident. If you are teaching tutorials like this, pick something friendly and clear. Don't overthink it. You can always change it later. Alright, so let me just go for what I like, and that is it here.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
Okay. So now when we are done, we just tap on the blue button here that's run, and it starts generating for us. And it's generated. Let's have a listen to it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I create content.
Okay. Also, do not try to do all your 20 or your 10 minutes or 1 hour video script in one go. Don't do that. Rather, break it into chunks, maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes at a time. This way, it makes it sound more natural. Plus, it's easier to fix if one part doesn't sound quite right. In this way, it reduces the stress of redoing the whole thing. So if you are satisfied with what you created, you just tap on this three dot here and you tap on the download button, and it downloads to your device, and you have your audio ready for editing. Now let's change the style instructions and see what we get. So with this, you are going to use a calm, confident, and slightly inspiring tone like a narrator, blah 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 blah. Okay, we are still using the same voice but different styles. So let's go. Let's tap on the run button and see what we get.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I create content.
I guess you heard that. This is the same test over there, but I used a different style and I got a different kind of speaking. You understand? So this is the point. So you see, one style doesn't fit everything. It doesn't at all. Same script, but I gave it a different style and it gave us a completely different energy, right? I actually have like 15 different emotion prompts in that template guide that work perfectly for different types of content. So for YouTube intros, you want excited, for tutorials, you want calm, and the list go on. If you want to get all these, just grab my free templates and it will all be yours. And your content creation will get to another level. And guys, I actually stumbled on something that is interesting. So I just discovered this by accident. So here's what I discovered by accident. If you want the AI to pause, literally type pause in your script. Like just what I did here. I said, "Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel." I added some dot dot dot. Dot. I put pause there and dot dot dot, and I continued. You get it? And it actually works. So you can try that. Just play around with it, and before you know it, you become a master of it. You get it? This is a game changer in the faceless world. So use it to your advantage. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create a natural sounding voiceover for a single speaker, what if you want to take it up a notch? Let's try something a little more dynamic, like a full conversation between two characters, using nothing but AI voices. So I'm just going to do a switch to the multiple speaker interface, and I have my conversation in my notes. So I'm just going to do copy and paste. So first I'll copy the style instruction, and I'll change the names over here because Google AI has the names as speaker 1 and speaker 2. Okay, I'll do that and then paste in the individual conversations. If there are more conversations, I'll just tap on the add dialogue and it will give me another space. Alright, so I'm just going to fast forward that part and we'll come back. Alright, so I'm just going to pick the voices for each of my speakers. I have 2 speakers, so I'm going to pick them and then I'll hit on generate. Alright, so now it's generated. I'm just going to tap on the 3 buttons and download it onto my device. Okay. Okay, we've got our voiceovers ready. And I don't know about you, but this is my favorite part. Let's play back all 3 voices we just created so you can hear the difference for yourself. Pay attention to the tone, the vibe, and how each one tells the same message in its own unique way. Ready? Let's listen.
Wait, you're still using that robotic voice in your videos? Taylor, come on. You've got to try Google AI.
Google AI? I thought that was just for writing stuff. It does.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I create content. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I create content.
Crazy, right? That's the power of voice styling. And we did all that with just a few words in our phones. Now, if you are wondering what this sounds like when it all comes together, I actually used Google AI voiceovers in one of my recent videos. A full tutorial on how to create a 3D podcast with AI tools. I used my real voice to guide the tutorial, but all the voice lines for my 3D avatars were done entirely with this Google AI voice tool. And the result? Super realistic, expressive dialogue that brought the characters to life, all without a mic or hiring a voice actor. You can check out that video later if you want to hear this in action. I'll leave the link below and pop it up here on screen too.